In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect OpenPhone to HubSpot. If you've been looking for a way to seamlessly integrate your phone system with your customer relationship management platform, this guide is for you. Let's dive into the process step by step to ensure you get it right the first time around. First, you'll want to start by heading over to your trial guide in your HubSpot dashboard. Make sure you're logged into your account to access the necessary tools and features we'll be discussing. Once you're in the dashboard, locate the trial guide section specifically tailored with HubSpot's features for your trial use. From there, you'll want to navigate to the marketplace. Now, why the marketplace, you might ask? HubSpot's marketplace is a comprehensive ecosystem of apps and integrations, making it a critical resource for expanding the functionality of your HubSpot account, including adding apps like OpenPhone. Simply click on the marketplace link and this will open up all of those exciting possibilities. Next, within the marketplace, you'll find an option for apps. Click on that and you'll be guided to a page filled with numerous applications that can be integrated with HubSpot to enhance your workflow and communications. It's worthwhile to take a moment to familiarize yourself with this section, as HubSpot regularly updates and adds new tools. Inside the Apps section, you'll see a search bar. Here, type in OpenPhone to quickly locate the application. OpenPhone is an excellent service that allows you to streamline your communication by integrating your phone calls directly with HubSpot's CRM, ensuring all your data and communications are connected. After typing OpenPhone in the search box, you'll see some results pop up. Look for the one with around 3K installs. This signifies that it's a popular and trusted choice within the HubSpot community. Clicking on this will direct you to the app's page where you can learn more about its features, read user reviews, and get a good understanding of how it functions. Finally, you'll see an option to click on the app marketplace within this screen. Clicking here does more than just complete the process. It also gives you access to manage your integrations, check on any requirements, and ultimately initiate the setup of OpenPhone with HubSpot. Once this connection is established, you can start managing phone calls and CRM activities in one cohesive location, enhancing efficiency and productivity. And that's it. By following these straightforward steps, you can successfully connect OpenPhone to HubSpot, leveraging both tools to their fullest to ensure the smooth operation of your business communications. Thanks for watching, and happy integrating.